Hello everyone, how are you? And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful lips cluster from as adapter. The materials are yarns, a crochet hook, 2 buttons, a tapestry needles, and a pair of scissors. Okay, now let's get started. Firstly, make slip knot. Chain 4. Two double crochet together in chain 1. Chain 2. Make 6 incomplete double crochet in the first incomplete double crochet. There are 7 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through 1 loop as much as 1 times, then yarn over, pull it through 2 loops as much as 5 times. There are 2 loops left on the hook. Turn the work. Now change the positions of your crochet hook. Then do yarning over and make 6 incomplete double crochet on the second incomplete double crochet. Now there are 8 loops in the hook. Yarn over, pull it through 1 loop as much as 1 time, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops as much as 5 times. There are 3 loops left in the hook now. Yarn over, pull it through all loops. The first loop is done now. This is what it looks like. Then make chain 3. Then find out the chain 2 we made early, make a slip stitch there. This is a glimpse of the first leaf. Okay, now to make the second one, begin with chain 4. Make 2 incomplete double crochet in this chain space. Chain 2, Make 6 incomplete double crochet on the first incomplete double crochet. Okay, now yarn over, pull it through 1 loop as much as 1 time, then yarn over, pull it through 2 loops as much as 5 times. There are 2 loops on the hook now, then change the yarns and the hook positions. After that, make 6 incomplete double crochet on the second incomplete double crochet. There are 8 loops in the hook now. Yarn over, pull it through 1 loop as much as 1 time, then yarn over, pull it through 2 loops as much as 5 times. Finally, we'll have 3 loops left on the hook. These are 3 loops left on the hook, then yarn over, pull it through all loops. Then make chain 3. Then make slip stitch on the chain 2 we made before. We're gonna make the right side of leaf. This is the chain 2 I made. Two loops are now complete. I'm going to show you how to make the third one. Just like before, begin with chain 4 and make 2 incomplete double crochet in this chain space. Then chain 2 and make 6 incomplete double crochet on this first incomplete double crochet. Then yarn over, pull it through 1 loop as much as 1 time, and yarn over, pull it through 2 loops as much as 5 times. Don't forget to change the yarns and the hook positions. Then make 6 incomplete double crochet on the second incomplete double crochet. Just like before, do yarn over and pull it through 1 loop as much as 1 time, then yarn over, pull it through 2 loops as much as 5 times. Now yarn over and pull it through all loops. Make chain 3, then slip stitch on the previous chain 2. Well, you just need to repeat the same stitching pattern to make some more leaves cluster. Here it is, and let me count how many pairs I've just made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pairs of leaves I have just made for this face mask. At the last part, I will make chain 3 and a slip stitch on the previous chain 2, just like before exactly. Then we're going to change 14 to make a hooker. Then slip stitch on the chain 2 space. Add 1 more chains and cut the yarn. Finally, this beautiful face mask adapter is done. You need to adjust it well. Then sew on the button. Well everybody, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you like this pattern. See you again.